This is a used 2012 Ford Fiesta, powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, and auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Sames Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We're located at 4721 Ayers, Corpus Christi, Texas 78415.